Hey guys, welcome back to Air Practice Scottish Australian. I've been a bit busy at work. I planned to do this shave like ages ago. But it's just, I've been getting phoned to come into work and all this stuff. So I'm working today, but not for another hour and a half. So anyway, I was watching Uncle Shaves and he was using, you know, like the brushless shave cream. He was using that as a pre-shave. So I thought, got this American Crew moisturising shave cream, which is a brushless shave cream, and I thought, well, I'll try that as a pre-shave. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. We'll just could be a total failure because the cream could not like the soap on top. Who knows? But we'll find out. Today I'm going to be using Black Bess from Long Rifle Shaving Company. This is my Black Bess, my own Black Bess, because I want to tell you, TOS, which is the Australian Wet Shaving Enabling Group on Facebook, had a pass around box. And I got the box. It was my time to get the box, or whatever. So, I actually got the box last Thursday. So I'm just I've got the bloom water here for the Black Bess. I'm just going to throw this on top of the moisturising. Don't know why, but I will anyway. And yeah, so there was a heap of soap in there. One of them was Black Bess, but I thought I would use my own Black Bess all week because guess what? Wet Shaving Products, or Yaki Australia, they had a sale on. And they were I don't know why, but anyway, he had a sale on, so I got this. That's not Black Bess, it's Brown Bess, shaving tonic, so I'll be using that today. Also got the Saranac shaving soap, and I got the Splash and Weight, and they were all 15 Australian per item. So I bought the three. I got the Black Bess tonic, the Saranac tonic, and the soap. But also the start of today's shave, which was in the pass around box, is, let's see if you know, that's the case that it comes in. Yes, it is the Global Shave Club Fatguy, which is which is an imitation of Fatboy from, I thought I'd just 75, I do now. Imitation of the Fatboy from Gillette. So this is it here. Lovely razor. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to shave with that on 5, probably move down to 3 after the first pass. I don't know, I'll wait and see. I've got a feather blade in there on its third use. This was in the shaving box as well. It's a 24mm Yaki Professional. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, basically you're getting out of this stuff to try out. I was originally going to put got a heap of blades in there as well, but I've got enough blades, but I might, not in this shave, but I'll probably might try the Bic, because I had Bics in there. There's a couple others that I want to try. Because Bic's sort of something that usually we associate with cheap, so I don't know. I'm going to try and see. This, when I say 46, you need 46 with this stuff. This stuff's just amazing. I really like the scent of it too. It's sort of like a tobacco-y scent. When I used it last time, I loved it, and I just did it. This was ages ago. I thought I wouldn't mind getting a splash for this. But I didn't get around to it, and then here we go. Yaki has a sale, so what do? You go buy it, which is exactly what I did. So we'll see how it go. I'm going to see with this razor. So I've got the razor, I've got this brush, never used this brush either, but you can see it's not bad at all. Mind the soap's good, and it's turned out okay on top of that latherless soap. So I'll just give it a bit of water in there. So it's Sunday over here. I don't know when I'll get this up, being honest with you. I'll try and get it up tomorrow. But that last one took bloody like 2 days to get to load up to YouTube. Don't know whether it was my Wi-Fi connection or what. Because sometimes I could get it up the same day. But like I say, I've been working quite a lot, 7 days. I mean, they're only between 4 and 7 hours. Like today's 7, but it depends on what days and where you are, how many hours you do at the cluster of houses or units. But yeah. So I've got plenty of time to do it. I should play a bit of it. But yeah, so I'm working out this week as well. Well, Thursday I'm sort of just doing a basketball run, so it's like 6:30 to 9:30. No, 6 o'clock to 9:30, 3.5 hours. But that might be cancelled due to the COVID restrictions that are going on over here just now. Then the following week, I'm off the Friday, the Saturday and Sunday. I'm going to town to get a haircut. So I'm quite looking forward to that. Because we're staying over in a hotel in North Adelaide. So we're heading back to normal, boys. Every 6 weeks, head to town. But anyway, let's have a look at this razor, see how it goes. I've never used the Fatguy, so I don't know. This is the Fatguy, so we'll see what happens. And seemingly I've heard it's a bit more aggressive than the Fatboy. Yeah. Definitely is, because I can feel the blade already. I mean, I like my other razors anyway, as you probably all know by now. Don't know. You hear it? Oh, I should say, this is now Sunday afternoon, last shave I had would be Thursday, so roughly 3 days growth. I should have showed you before I started shaving. I've got quite a bit of growth there. So that's why I started on a 5. I might keep it on 5, I don't know, I'll try this fast and see what's left. Because I was going to put it on 6, but then I heard it was really aggressive, so I thought, me not liking aggressive razors, I'll stick with the 5. Nice little razor though. I'm going to get a good clean again because it was sparkling when I got it, so I've got some stuff for isopropanol to disinfect it as well. I'll let you do that before I send it back. Send me the brush. I'll send it back, send it on to the next person. There's heaps of stuff in it. There's this razor, and there's a Yintel and a Yaki single edge. So there's 3 razors there that I've seen. And there's heaps of soap. And loads of blades. But like I say, there's a mega blade I'm using in this. Oh, good hole. Fell like that. This is lethal. Okay, let's see a poke. It's first pass done. I'm just feeling around. Good job. Very good job actually. But I'm going to try doing a 3. But yeah, it did quite surprised now. Especially got the specs on. That's how bad. So we'll open it up. Turn it down to 3. Maybe not. Not that. Ah, there it is. Close it back up again. Get a wee wipe. Okay, just drop the towel in that water. Anyway, okay. So, you'll try it on a 3. But I like this brush. It's quite pretty. And then it's looking like a good enough lather. Not that I'm an expert at lathering anyway, but just what I do is good enough for me. Good enough for me. Because some people spend, like, you know what I mean, others lathering, but each to their own. I like to spend time, but not all day, you know what I mean. Look at that, I've turned off notifications. You'll not see that, but I've just got a notification on the phone. It's supposed to go on Do Not Disturb. Okay, let's go. Across the grain, yeah? Sounds good to me. But the good thing about using that pre-shave, that American Crew, that's a moisturising shave. Oh, spit it out. A moisturising shave cream. Even on 3, I could feel the blade going across my skin. Don't know if you can hear it. I'm being really lightweight because like that. The bottom just twisted there. I'm going across that. The bottom just twisted, but I just felt like moving as I was shaving. Definitely different now. Don't know if it's, I reckon it's more aggressive than the Fatguy. All I could say is, I can feel it, just got to be careful, but feels good. But the next question is, if you hear that it's over $100, which is no something I'd be prepared to pay for a razor. I was talking to my wife a minute ago, I was telling her about this razor and how much it costs. And she says, I'll get you for Father's Day. And I said, no. I didn't believe, that's me probably being Scottish, I didn't think that you should be paying that much for a razor, no matter how good it is. Unless I was able to shave you in one pass, then yeah. I don't think there's any razor could do that. But then you'd waste all your soap washing your face. You just got to learn to use less soap. I'm just playing about here. Basically, let's see how it draws on the frame. This is strong. I thought I could feel them under there, and a wee drop under there. Maybe over here and there, but apart from that, I'll go in for the third. Especially against the grain. Look at that. My eyeball there. Can you see that? Soap it's in your eyes. There's some with no soap it's in your eyes, but someone else like that somewhere. Anyway, like you can still see slickness there. But the question is that soap? Or is that moisturising shave cream? Don't know. But whatever it is, it's working. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go against the grain. I'll probably do another flat pass or straight pass, just I don't know what, but use up the soap. I was really looking forward to a shave today, because obviously I'd not in for Thursday, so I was quite looking forward to it. I love shaving. And since I've got that tonic, I might keep that for the second week, because of the reason the black Bess I'm talking about, I'll probably keep using it next week as well, for the simple reason that I've hardly used it, we're hardly having a shave. I don't know whether to try that yin tal, and I might watch a couple of videos on it and see what like it is. Because it was the bee's knees for a while, you know, I was talking about it in the group. But it's adjustable. It's a yin tal adjustable. So that gives me another razor. I've got bloody disinfectant. You know what I mean? Get it properly. When you've got 2 weeks, you've got plenty of time to get them on dry stuff dry. Then wrap back up and send back. It was worth getting it for alone just for this razor, because I've heard some reports of this, but there's a lot of people who use it on YouTube, so I'll be joining that crew. On free, which we've got on now, yeah, a nice shave. Root and effort, you know. Maybe the feather as well on its third. Because the feather between 3, maybe 6, you get a great shave with them. I like up here to be pretty smooth, I like up there. Never used to have a problem with the floor getting it smooth when I was using the carriage, but since I went to a DE style shave, I've got hairs growing where I didn't even used to grow at all, especially in here. I never see any growth in here when I was using cartridge and foam, but since I started using the DE, I reckon I could have a full on beard in that centre panel, but not at all, because I like shaving. Apart from that one, it doesn't reckon the beard suits us, because I could do that in a kid maybe 20 years ago, so and my wife did not like it one bit. So I ended up shaving it off. And that was a long time ago. The 40s a little bit, I think, or maybe late 30s. So, let's brush clean out. Get rid of this cream. And then I'll just do another pass to finish off. And if I'm going to make myself, I'll be on this pass. Well, all in all, the razors performed well. I mean, even on Fab, it was aggressive, but no sort of extreme to the extreme, you know what I mean? Where it was fair to use it, but here we go. We've got this on 3. Let's see this bit here, I always get, even when I shave, I usually feel it later on, you know, like after the shave. I've put my balm on and maybe later on at night, you know, or later on that day I might have a feel around and I'll feel no bristles, but the remnants, like as if there's something still there on the cup. Not that worries me anyway. I don't care as long as it looks clean, like shave and that. Or it looks like I've taken everything off, but like your old saying, when it comes to shaving, near enough is good enough. Feel that? Definitely feel like I'm not going to be doing that enough. Because my skin's feeling like, what do you call it? Like I've had a shave. Well, I've had a shave. But, all good. Nose, ears. Okay. Doing the usual, put the cold water on. Oh. It feels really good actually. Yes. Quite impressed with the Fatguy. But is it worth $100 odd? Probably not, because you can get the original for about, I reckon, less than that. Because I've seen them about 50, 60 and give them a clean up. There's a lot of people buy them, clean up and then sell them. But I've got the slim, adjustable slim there. What's the other one I've got? Tex. And my birthday, year of birth razor. So anyway, okay, so I'm gonna just give this razor a rinse. I'll probably do it clean later on, but let's get rinse for now. Give the brush a rinse. So I'm gonna give them just a thorough clean, reason being that somebody in the past one wants somebody else. So. But yeah, I think this case is well, you know. 99% sure, but it smells nice. But anyway, let's get this balm off. Nice little shave. Oh. So hopefully I can get this uploaded. Probably will be at night unless I get home later and it's over. Because what I've got to do, because this is on an iPhone, on stage one and you upload it, I mean, it takes ages to go on Google Photos, so usually you'll upload it, it goes up to your iCloud account. So that's stage one, and then I've got to download it from iCloud because I've got a Mac, but I don't use it. I'm not sure if I'd work for this. So I download it to my Windows computer. I'm using I'm using the Thayer's Witch Hazel again. Oops, you can't see that, can you? Turn it around, John. Yeah, Thayer's Witch Hazel, and that's the rose petal. It's alright, nothing start one. What balm am I going to use? Well, I've got the. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Put that right there. Just because. Just use the American Crew pre-shave stuff. So what I'll do is I'll use the American Crew moisturising balm. I've had this one for a while. I didn't mind this actually. I got this at the hairdresser's one day. She was getting stuff out. Obviously, It was mainly aimed at like pomades and that. So she had American Crew. So I ended up getting an aftershave, a balm and a moisturiser. Just to support small business. Well, that'd be about 2 years ago. So here we go. Now we're going with Brown Bess Shave Tonic by a Long Rifle. 15 Australian dollars a bottle. You can't beat that, can you? So, and the soap, I mean, I think I paid about maybe 20 for the original Black Bess soap. But I love the smell of it, I think it's brilliant. And, oh, still some blinking. I suppose there's not much difference, because this is quite a rich aftershave. It's like, it's oily. So you know there's a lot of properties in there. It's good for the skin. So what's that, 26 minutes? Okay boys, that's going to do me. Next video, don't know, but I'll probably be something out of the box, I don't know what. Because if I use any of the soaps, I've got to use a bowl, but they've supplied it. It's either a Yaki bowl or a Captain's Choice. Not sure which, but anyway. Hopefully I'll get this up as soon as I can. Thanks for watching guys, and girls if there's any. See you later, bye.